The Mercedes-Benz 245, produced from 2005 to 2011, is the first-generation B-Class compact MPV. Its front fog lights are designed to improve visibility in challenging conditions like fog, rain, or mist. These auxiliary lights are crucial for safety, emitting a wide, low beam that penetrates fog without creating glare that reflects back to the driver. This video will demonstrate how to enable and disable the fog lights on your W245 B-Class vehicle. The fog light switch is typically found on the turn signal stalk, located on the left side of the steering wheel. It's usually a push-pull or rotary knob integrated into the stalk. Identify the switch before proceeding. To enable the front fog lights, first ensure that your low-beam headlights are already switched on. Then, push or rotate the fog light switch depending on your model. A symbol will appear on your dash cluster if equipped to show the lights are on. To disable the fog lights, simply push or rotate the same switch again. The fog light indicator on your dash should turn off, indicating that the lights are now disabled. Cycling the ignition may also turn them off. The fog lights on the W245 are designed to only activate when the low-beam headlights are already on. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental battery drain and ensure optimal visibility in foggy conditions. Avoid using fog lights with high beams, as this can cause glare for other drivers. If your fog lights aren't working on the W245 B-Class, here are the most common issues and how to address them. First, check the fuse box in the engine compartment. Fuse 58 typically controls the fog lights. If the fuse is blown, replace it with an identical one. Next, inspect the electrical connectors for corrosion, especially in humid climates. Also check the fog light relay in the fuse box. Replace the relay if faulty. If the bulbs are burned out, replace the halogen bulbs. For improved performance, consider aftermarket LED conversion kits, which last longer and use less power. Many W245 owners upgrade to LED fog lights for better performance. These kits provide increased brightness, longer lifespan, and reduced power consumption compared to original halogen bulbs. LED upgrades replace the halogen bulbs, offering significant improvements in efficiency and durability. These plug-and-play kits are popular for DIY installation, taking about 30 minutes to complete. Only use fog lights in low visibility conditions such as fog, heavy rain, or snow. Remember to turn them off when visibility improves to avoid blinding other drivers. Regular maintenance and bulb checks are crucial to ensure your fog lights function correctly.